I'm Jason from MetalTrace. Welcome to the MetalTrace Online Video User Guide. You can click the link in the description to open the playlist with all the videos. In this video, I will show you how to configure options in the Preferences menu. Quickly before I start, if you are logging into your supplier's MetalTrace site, some of these options may not be available for you. Now, to access the Preferences menu, click here under User Settings where it says Preferences. Most of these settings are to set your defaults for the various pages and options in MetalTrace. You can change these on the fly in the search pages as you work, but setting preferred defaults here can save you time when you're using MetalTrace. Starting on the main tab, we can set the following. First, the default startup page. This will assign which screen opens when you first log into MetalTrace. This way, you can start on the search you use most often. Default Branch Next allows you to assign which branch you want the searches to start in. You can assign all branches, your account default branch, or any branch specifically. Next, we can assign a default document type for each of the search pages. You may only have MTRs on your list, or you may have more like you see here. This can be very handy if, for instance, you find yourself usually searching for something other than MTRs when you pick a certain search type. You can assign that document type as the default for that search and not have to make that change each time you search. We can also set a default for the number of results to display per page. Here you can see on the Easy Search screen the option at the bottom of the search results to make that change. I prefer to set my results at 100 to make sure I have all my results in one table, and then I don't have to switch between pages to find the documents I need. Next, we go to the Reports Default tab. As I explain in the print and email videos, reports are what we call the layout of the pages. In most cases, your options will be whether to include a cover page or not. Similar to the document type default settings we went over a few moments ago, these settings can help you save time by having the report you use the most be the one assigned by default, so you don't need to make that change each time you print or email. The Super Reports tab next has the same settings, but it applies only to your Super Search. The next tab is the From address. This is where you can set the address information that is displayed in the upper left corner of the document cover page in that From section. You can see that on the cover page I have on the screen now. Lastly is the Change Password tab that lets you change your password. Type your new password in both fields and click OK. You can also click the Show/Hide Password button here to see the password as you type it to make sure you're not making any spelling mistakes. Please join me in the next video where I will show you how to use the MetalTrace carbon equivalency calculators.